Hey party people, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are looking to send invoices to your customers, maybe you guys like walk their dog or something like that, or you're running some sort of consultant business, today I'll walk you guys through how to send invoices to your customers for free. Your customers will receive an invoice where they can go ahead and pay for the invoice via credit card. If they click on the pay this invoice link, this will take them to a page where they can pay the invoice via credit card, or they can pay with bank transfers and a few other methods. So here they'll enter their credit card information, they can pay the invoice, and this will be deposited into your bank accounts right away. And we'll be using the same website that top leading companies use. You guys have probably heard of Midjourney, right? They are the popular AI company. They use Stripe right here to manage these subscriptions. So you'll see that they can, they can design it and, adjust it to fit their brand. Also Doorloop as well. Doorloop also uses this same service. And I'll walk you guys through how to set all of this up in this video. So here's my website, and for this example, I'm just going to imagine that I am a veterinarian service and I want to send them an invoice for maybe some procedure or some sort of surgery that we performed. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to stripe.com. Now, there is a link to this website in the description below of this video. Now, stripe.com is a free service. It does not cost you guys anything whatsoever. There is no credit check, no monthly fee. The only thing that they're going to charge you guys is a small transaction fee, but that is standard for every single website out there, right? So you guys will go to stripe.com and you guys will make a free account. So right here, you'll click on start now, and then you'll go to the sign up process. So you'll enter in your email, your full name, and your country, your password. Now you guys will need to have a bank account to sign up with Stripe because they need somewhere to send the money, right? So you guys will go through the sign up process, make an account with Stripe, then you'll link your bank account. And once that's done, I will then meet you guys in the customer dashboard. All right, and here is my Stripe dashboard. Now your dashboard should look something like this if you guys are a brand new customer. If you guys are a long-term customer with Stripe, then you guys will see a bunch of numbers and a bunch of analytics. This is my current account with stripe.com. So we actually use this for my business when we sell templates. Now, what we're gonna do here is we're going to go to the demo account, and we're first gonna go ahead and create a customer. So let's go ahead and switch back to my accounts. Now, the very first step is to create a customer. So over here on the left side, you're going to create a customer. So who are you trying to bill, right? At the top right, I'll click on add a customer, and we're gonna add a customer to bill. So we're gonna put Daryl Wilson, and then we'll put my email address. So pchoarder@gmail.com. And then right here, I'll click on add a customer. All right, so we have Daryl Wilson. Now the second step is to actually create the product. So what are we going to invoice them for, right? Over here on the left side, you're going to find product catalog. And then at the top right, we're gonna click on add a product. So what is the actual service that we are providing, right? So we're gonna put the animal procedure, and then procedure for the animals, or you guys can be descriptive about what exactly you guys are offering, right? Just so that the customer knows that, oh yeah, it's for the animal procedure, duh, right? So you'll go ahead and put in some description. Here we have some options. So we have recurring, and then also we have one-off. So a one-off payment is essentially a one-time payment that they're gonna make. If you guys do wanna, create a recurring subscription, you guys can click on recurring, and then you guys can apply the billing period. But I'm gonna save this for another video. So for this video, we're just gonna do a one-time payment. So the price for this specific service was maybe like, I don't know, $500, right? So $500 for this specific service. Here, click on add a product. All right, so we have the animal procedure. Now the very last step, and this is a simple thing to do, is now we just need to create the invoice. So on the left side, you're gonna see invoices. I'll click on invoices, and now we're gonna create an invoice. So here at the top right, you'll see create invoice. I'll click on create an invoice. Now the very first thing that we're gonna do is find the customer. So right here under customer, I'll click on add a customer. And then here you'll see it has Daryl Wilson pop up. So I'll click on Daryl Wilson. Here you guys can also adjust the currency. So if you guys wanna select a specific currency or accept one, you guys can go ahead and select your currency there. And now we have items. So what is the actual service that we're going to bill them for? Well, right here, if we take a look, we have animal procedure. So this is the product, right? So I'll go ahead and click on animal procedure. And here we can select the quantity if you guys wanna go that route. But go ahead and click on save. Now, if you guys are selling a physical product where you guys maybe want to invoice them for something physical, you guys can always add shipping right here and stuff like that if you want to go that route. But since most of us watching this are probably invoicing them for a service, we don't need to add shipping and stuff like that. So now we have the request payments, and here you guys can select when you guys want to receive the payment. So today, tomorrow, 7 days. I'll put 7 days, right? And here we can choose specific payment methods. Now, I don't really know what Link is. I don't really want ACH debits. And Cash App Pay, is that a thing in America? I don't even know, but if you guys want to go ahead and have that, you guys can leave it. If you guys do want to add more payment methods, right here, I'll click on Manage Payment Methods, and then you guys can select some like Amazon Pay. They have some more actually. Yeah, some of these aren't available for me, but if you guys are in specific countries, you guys can go ahead and select one of those payment methods. But I just want to do card, right? So I'm just, you know, credit card only. I don't know about these apps and stuff like that. So I'm just going to select credit card. Now here we have delivery. So if you guys do just want to send them a link, you guys can click on do not email. And then you guys can actually just copy and paste this and send it to them via email or something like that. But Stripe actually will send this directly to their email inbox. So I do want to actually email this to the customer. Here we have additional options. Now, if you guys do want to customize this form and add a little bit more to it, you guys can go ahead and do that. For example, right here under the memo, if I click on memo, I'll put thank you for your business. And this will actually update the form. So right here, I'll click on confirm. And on the right side, you'll see that they have this memo. So now it says, thank you for your business. You guys can also add more, like for example, in the footer, if you guys want to add in something else, like refer your friends and get $50. I don't know, something like that, right? So I'll click on confirm. And then here you'll see the little thing pop up right there. And then also there is custom fields where you guys can add in more and more if you guys want to go that route, right? So pretty cool. But I'm not going to get into custom fields because that's a little bit, you know, too much. We'll go ahead and scroll down. Now here we have branding settings. Now earlier I showed you guys that specific companies have different colors and styles. You guys can go ahead and update everything right here. So you guys can update your logo and your icon. So right here you'll see that we have our kitty cat icon, right? And then for the brand color, we can choose a specific brand color if you guys want to go that route. Here if I scroll down, you'll see that we can also adjust the color of the actual button if you guys want to, you know, match, right? So I'll tell you what, we're gonna copy this, right? And then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna paste that just so that they're consistent. You know, now it's a whole new company, right? Just because we changed the colors and added a logo, right? It's amazing. So here I'll click on Save Changes. All right, and now I want to send this invoice. But really quick before I do that, here is the invoice PDF. Here is the view from an email. So this is exactly what they're gonna see, right? Pretty cool. And then here we have the payment page. The payment page is the page where they're actually going to enter in their credit card, and then it's going to take them to the thank you page, and then you guys will get the money in your account, right? So I'll go ahead and click on Send Invoice. Here we can also CC other emails if you guys want to go that route, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to click on Send Invoice, and then we're going to check our email and make sure this all works. All right, so a invoice of $500 was sent, right? So let's go over here to my email. So here is my email, and there it goes. It just popped up out of nowhere. Cool. So I'll go ahead and click on this invoice. You guys are gonna see, voila, we have this beautiful invoice. And right here, if they click on pay this invoice, they can go ahead and enter in their credit card information, right? So right here, view the invoice, 500 bucks. They can contact Daryl Wilson. I'll go ahead and close that. And then right here, if I click on card, they can go ahead and enter the credit card and pay the invoice. And then you guys will receive these funds directly into your Stripe accounts. Now, Stripe.com, again, is an amazing service. If you guys haven't tried them out, try it. We actually use it for our website where we sell templates. And they actually put the money directly into your accounts. So they'll do everything automatically. And you guys can set the schedule of when you want the money to go into your account. So you can set it every week or every 2 weeks or every month or any interval that you guys want to select. You guys can select those in the settings for the Stripe accounts. So that is pretty much it, party people. That is how you guys can send invoices. Honestly, this is probably one of your best methods. I have seen other websites and styles of sending invoices, but a lot of the top companies already use Stripe because it's very convenient. They have customer service, and the forms really look nice. You know, you can decorate them and you can do everything for free. So it is a great alternative if you guys do want to send invoices to your customers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Get out of here.